Life is big and beautiful here in the Bahamas, and smart too. Take a look.
We're in Nassau, Bahamas, which is the capital city of the Bahamas. This property in particular is a very special property. It's 10,000 square feet. From day one, we knew what we wanted to do with this house. So we decided to incorporate the newest, the best, the easiest ideas, and Control 4 tended to answer to all of those issues. Well, what's on the system is the thermostats, so the air conditioning, which is very important in our country, the lighting, the exterior lighting, the interior lightings. We have the security, we have all the cameras, we have the intercoms in between the bedrooms. I can listen to the kids and they don't even know it. We are able to keep codes for us and then keep codes for people who are in and out. And their bedrooms have it. The kids have their own codes. So mommy has the master code, but you know, they keep each other out and they think it's great. My closet, in the middle of the night, I just walk through, it comes on. When you walk into the powder room, it comes on. We have used LED lights everywhere. People are amazed with the wine rack. And they're like, why do you have lights in the wine rack? Isn't it going to destroy your wine? And I'm like, it's LED, it doesn't create heat. My husband just lies in bed at night, presses a button, and the whole house is shut down, turns the kids' TV off. My daughter, she reads at night, and she can just press her iPad and turn off the lights. And also what it does is cut down on our electricity bill. So that's a huge benefit in this country, considering it's probably one of the highest costs in the world. And every little bit helps. It's a Disclavier Pro Mark III. It's a Yamaha, and it's incorporated through all of the speakers throughout the house. If I wanted somebody to play it from Japan, and it would come through the piano, and I would have the entire house flooded with beautiful music. Other products that are out there, which my experience with has been more difficult to use, higher maintenance. My in-laws would not want to touch it, and the kids wouldn't even know what to do with it. This is so much more usable for us. I know exactly what I'm pressing and what I'm looking for, and it's right there. It's not rocket science, it's usable. I have people who come to this property and say, it's too big, I can't manage it. And when I walk them through it and show them just how usable the product is, it really opens their eyes, just the Control 4 itself, because it ties everything together so neatly, and it's very impressive.